I tested and reviewed the top 5 best air fryers of 2024 to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL continues to hold its place as one of the top contenders in the air fryer market. With its spacious 5.5-quart capacity, it's perfect for cooking for the whole family. We were impressed by its rapid air circulation technology, which ensures even cooking and crispy results every time. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to adjust time and temperature settings, while the sleek design adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL delivers on both performance and versatility, making it a top choice for air frying enthusiasts. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. Instant Pot has long been synonymous with innovation in the kitchen, and the Vortex Plus Clear Cook air fryer is no exception. What sets this model apart is its unique Clear Cook technology, which provides a clear view of your food as it cooks, eliminating the need to open the fryer and disrupt the cooking process. We found this feature especially handy for monitoring the progress of delicate dishes. With 6 built-in smart programs and a large capacity, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook offers convenience and precision, making it a standout choice for busy home cooks. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. For those seeking a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is a standout choice. Despite its compact size, this air fryer packs a punch with its powerful air circulation system, delivering crispy results with minimal oil. Its simplicity in design and operation makes it perfect for beginners or those with limited kitchen space. We found it particularly efficient for cooking snacks and single servings. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable air fryer, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is an excellent pick. Number 4. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. While technically not solely an air fryer, the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven deserves a spot on our list for its multifunctionality and impressive air frying capabilities. With spacious interior space and multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, and toasting, this appliance offers versatility that goes beyond traditional air fryers. We were impressed by its consistent performance and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen where space is at a premium. If you're looking for a multi-purpose appliance that excels in air frying, the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven is a worthy investment. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. Another stellar offering from Instant Pot, the Duo Crisp Ultimate combines the convenience of a pressure cooker with the crispiness of an air fryer, giving you the best of both worlds. With 11-in-1 functionality including pressure cooking, air frying, roasting, and more, this appliance is a powerhouse in the kitchen. We were impressed by its consistent results and intuitive controls, which make it easy to whip up a variety of dishes with minimal effort. While it comes with a higher price tag, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate's versatility and performance make it a worthwhile investment for home chefs looking to streamline their cooking process.